Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your Dave debit card PIN. If you don't have a Dave bank account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get a $15 gift reward. But if you already have an account, just open the app by tapping on it. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the bottom part of the screen. Click on the option that says Profile. On this screen, under the Dave debit card section, you will see an option for physical card. Click on Physical Card. Here, you will see an option for Change PIN. Click on Change PIN. Now on the first field, enter the new PIN you wish to use. On the second field, enter it again to confirm. Then click on Submit. That's how you change your Dave debit card PIN. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.